Hey everyone, need to know if a phone number is mobile or landline before you send an SMS? Want to screen out the VoIP numbers to prevent fraud? Or figure out which carrier a lead is on? I'm gonna show you how to do that, all of that in 2 minutes with Telnyx Phone Number Lookup API. All you need is a Telnyx API that you can grab from the portal as you see here. You can go click on your account and go to API keys and then copy one or create one if you do not have any and then save it somewhere because as soon as you move away from the API keys page, you won't be able to see it again. Okay, so what to do next? So here is the repository, which is called Telnyx Code Samples. And the example today we want is phone number lookup using Python. We have other examples as well using Node.js, other languages. You can try that out as well. But today for this video, we will use Python. So just clone it and get into this. And what you need to do is just follow the instructions here. You cd into it, copy the environment file, drop your API key into the environment file, and that's it. Install dependencies, start the server, port is on 5000. So I already have set it up for this video. So let me just show you how that works. So let's do a new lookup. So I'm going to put in a number here and see what it returns. So let's see. So when we click on look up, very good. So you can see the results. So it's the phone number, the country code is US, and all the other information along with it. And we're going to do a new lookup for another number. Let's see here. There you go. So this is how the phone number lookup sample works. Again, the repository is here. I'm going to link this to our description. Copy it, clone it, and use it. Thank you for watching.